Well. Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the beautiful mountains of North Carolina, and today some internet big mouth owes me $100. Yeah, I don't know who he is because he was just another internet troll, but somebody out here when I built this thing exactly 1 year ago said, there ain't no way that tower's going to last a year. Wrong. It's still up and it's still in great shape. In fact, it survived several good snowstorms, a couple of good windstorms, and many lightning strikes in the area. Luckily none right down the old pipe here. But yeah, holding up great. Wood's good. Bolts are good. No bending. No damage whatsoever. TV antenna still working. And Antron, 20 years old and counting, still hanging in there. New IMAX 2000, working great. Talked to Skip all over the world with that. Got my little 2-meter directional. Kind of hard to see from this angle. I'll walk around a little bit here. Little 2-meter directional. I wouldn't have bought it again if I had the opportunity to, because there just isn't anything going on 2-meter around here. I've got a pointer right at the closest repeater. It's dead, but very happy with it. Cabling's holding up well. Crossbar idea. I actually had this great idea. My wife and I were out last weekend. We were out somewhere, and there was a dude with a pirate flag. I thought, wouldn't it be cool to hoist a pirate flag right up to about there? So next time you see it, maybe at the 2-year mark or 1.5-year mark, whenever I do the next update on this, or if I ever add another antenna to it, maybe there'll be a pirate flag on it for my pirate radio station, right? Walk around the front here. I'm not going to get up on the roof. I thought about doing that, but take my word for it. It's held up really well. Held up really well. Yeah. So there it is. Anyway, that's it. The $75 antenna tower has, I'd say at this point, it's earned its keep. I mean, I imagine if it stayed up a year, it'd probably stay up 10. Huh. Anyway, till next time, take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.